Hey guys, in this video we're going to discuss part 3 of Halloween 9, which are the finishing touches, image map, and favicon. So when we left off, our page was looking in pretty good shape. But the finishing touches, we need to kind of like move this navigation list up a little bit. So we're going to adjust the margin on that. And we're going to add an image map to this pumpkin, which is going to take us back to the home page when we click on it. And, we're going to add the favicon, which will not work if you're doing this in W3. So don't worry about that part, but that's all detailed in the instructions. So first part, this step here, we're just going to take off the class called current, which we put back in Halloween 7. So this will ensure that all of these links at the top are white and nothing is a different color. I can't remember what color it was when we did it in the last chapter. But actually, I can find out by clicking on that. Oh, it's orange. Okay. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is add a margin top to the nav list UL of 0, and that's just going to kind of like move things up. So to find that, it is going to be right here. Oops, I'm on the nav menu. Sorry, guys. Having a hard time finding my stuff here since I have so many styles. There it is. Okay, nav list UL, margin top 0. Okay. Next step here. You are going to create an image map. And I thought, honestly, the best way to show you an image map was to link to the W3. And an image map is pretty cool, guys, because you can click on different parts of a picture and it'll take you to a different page. In this particular Halloween 9 assignment, we're only going to go to one page. But we're going to use this example here, and you're only going to have one of these, okay? Only one of these in your example. Now, the first step to starting an image map is to use the use map attribute, and in this case, we're going to call it pumpkin. And where that goes is inside your HTML for the header image. So we're going to add this thing called use map equals pumpkin. And then we're going to insert the code, and this is in the HTML, by the way, for the map name, which is pumpkin. And then all of this information I gave you right here are in the instructions. The map name, the shape, the coordinates, the alt, the where it's going, which is back to the index, and then the title. So those are all of your attributes needed for the image map example. So let me know if you guys have any questions on that. And then the last step is to insert the favicon. Now, if you are working in W3, as I mentioned, there will not be a favicon because as you can see right here, when we're working in a page, there is no favicon. But if you are working in an editor, when you insert the favicon, it should look like this. And when you insert the favicon, if I was inserting this, you're going to be in the head section of the HTML. And typically you just put it right underneath where you would link to another, to your style sheet, to your CSS style sheet. So that's where you would put it, in the head section. So if there's any questions about this last step or the last section of exercises for part 3, let me know. Pretty straightforward. If you're confused about anything or have questions, feel free to reach out to me through Remind. When you turn this in, please not only turn in a screenshot of this page, but also turn in your HTML and CSS so I can figure out what, if anything, is wrong. And I didn't figure out the exact points for this, but it's probably going to be a lot. I will let you guys know. All right, guys. Thank you so much for your hard work. I know it is not easy to do these directions on your own without me there helping you, But honestly, guys, if I see the effort and I see that you guys are making some kind of effort, it means so much. And thank you guys for sticking with me. Um, it's a lot of fun to do this, even from home, but I really miss you guys. Take care. Bye.